किती झाले आता टाइम? Welcome my dear students, welcome once again. Yesterday we had started our grammar topic, that is used to. And when we start our topic, so we have to stop because time is up and we have a time limitation. So I just write two examples on the board yesterday, but before I would like to explain that two examples, our time is over. That's why yesterday we stopped, and as I told you yesterday that tomorrow we will begin the topic again. So again I am here and we'll start our topic, that is used to. So let's see. I have given you the title HV, it means helping verbs. Also given you the rule that remove would had and write used to. I had also given you the formula, that is subject used to V1 and remaining sentence. Yesterday I wrote all these things. Today I am going to repeat that again. Its formula, I would like to explain that. Subject plus used to plus first form of the given verb V1 and then remaining sentence as it is. Okay. Now here are the examples. I wrote here yesterday the first example that Gopal would sit near a function hall, right? I thought it was the sentence. I would like to repeat that again here. Gopal would sit near a function hall. It is the example. And second one, I had given that Radhika had worked so hard to get the success. Written. So guys, yesterday I had already given you these examples, and before I could solve these examples, I could explain about these examples. The time is over, so that's why we stopped there. But today we'll continue. So let's see the use of used to in the sentence. Rule is here that we must remove would had from the sentence, and instead of that we have to write used to. Formula is also there. Subject as it is, then remove would had from the sentence, so we remove would from the sentence, and instead of that we write used to. Gopal used to. Getting? Then V1, first form of the given verb. They have already given the first form, so we didn't need to change the verb form. We must write as it is, near a function hall. Getting? It's very easy. We remove would from the sentence, and instead of that we write used to, and remaining sentence as it is. We didn't change any change of that given sentence. There is no need to change any part of the sentence. If you have any confusion about this, if you have any doubt about the first example, so I would like to say that don't be panic. There is another example on the board. Second example is on the board. So let me explain that example, and after that all your doubts, your confusion will be clear. So let's see. Radhika had worked so hard to get the success. Again we use subject as it is, Radhika. Then we remove had from the sentence, and instead of that we write used to. It is not used to, it is used. Ed is there. Some students make mistakes, and in examination instead of writing used to, they write use to, use and then to, but it's used to. Ed is there. Getting? And when we write used to, formula is that we must write the first form of the given verb. So we write here first form of the verb, that is work. And remaining sentence as it is. There is no need to change any part of the remaining sentence. Here is the solution. I think you can understand the examples. If you had any doubt about the examples after solving these two examples, so no need to worry. I will give you more examples. Again, I will give you two more examples. I will solve that examples on the board, and then I will give you some examples to solve at your home, that is homework examples. So had you written? I hope that you had noted it in your notebook. So I am going to erase these examples. Okay? So let me erase. So guys, let's write down another example. My friend had found fault with almost everything. Next one, they had given other things to exchange. So dear friends, I have given here two more examples to clarify your doubts and your confusion. So after these two examples, I don't think so that you will be any confusion or any doubt will be remain. So let me explain. Let's see the first sentence. My friend had found fault with almost everything. Again, subject as it is. and then we remove had from the sentence, and instead of that we write used to. My friend used to. And when we write used to, we know the formula that we must use the first form of the given verb, that is find. Find, found, found. Forms of the verb. And as usual, you know that remaining part of the sentence as it is. Fault with almost everything. Getting? It's very easy. So guys, there is another example. They had given other things to explain. Again we will write the subject as it is, removing had from the sentence, and instead of that we write used to, because it is the rule, it's the formula, and then we use the first form of the given verb. They used to give other things to exchange. Getting? I don't think so there is any doubt or any confusion is remain. I have already given you the 4 examples to clarify your doubts. And as I told you that once you understand the formula, use of used to, then these examples will be very easy for you. Now it's time of your homework. So let me give you some examples to solve at your home. So let me erase these examples first. बर कुठपर्यंत झालं ते पण ते नाही कळणार का? हां बरं बरं ठीक आहे कारण मी